Welcome to Money Talk Show TV. In today's era, everyone can invest their money without even leaving the comfort of their bed. The process has become so simple that the number of investors increases every month, with thousands of new investors each day. But a successful investor must be able to make better financial decisions. And for that, Money Talk Show TV is at your service. We will help you become the investor you dreamed about. We enable you to make professional decisions more quickly and with a lot more precision than ordinary investors. So to continue with our aim, today we are going to introduce you to Robinhood. Like many others, Robinhood is an online brokerage firm. It is absolutely free with no commission on selling and buying stocks. It is one of the top brokerage firms with its application compatible with each platform. You may use it on mobile, desktop, or web simultaneously or depending upon the medium's availability. What makes Robinhood outstand the other firms? It allows users to deal in cryptocurrency. It has more up-to-date graphs with a better visual representation. You do not have to invest any money to get your promised free stock. You can start investing even with $1. Let's move towards opening a brokerage account using Robinhood. The first step is simple. You just have to open the Robinhood sign-up page from the link given below. Welcome to the Robinhood sign-up page. Click the Claim Your Free Stock Now button. You will be redirected to the page where you have to input your name, email, and password. After being done with it, you have to sign into your account. You're almost there. Just a few steps more. Now it is your turn to set up your account. It consists of a few simple phases. I will walk you through all of them. 1. As you have already provided your email address and name in the previous section, so in this phase, you will be asked about your contact information such as phone number, residential address, etc. 2. The second phase will be related to your identity, consisting your identity number and information. 3. The third phase will ask for a funding account with almost all the American banks as an option. You just have to log into your bank account so that you may connect it with Robinhood. 4. Now the final step is to submit the application. You now have a claim to a stock like Apple, Ford, or Facebook. In order to keep this claim to your stock, sign up and join Robinhood using my link. join.robinhood.com/DERRICR1115. After being done with the application, you have to wait a day or two to receive an email confirming your application's approval or asking for a little more information. You may also be asked to provide some specific documents that can prove your identity. In that case, you have to send your scanned documents to Robinhood by the following email's instructions. For learning more about amazing opportunities and having an insight into the latest updates in the financial world, keep yourself updated with moneytalkshowtv.com.